So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add date, time and weather on your phone's home screen on iPhone. So firstly, long press on empty space on your home screen, then icons will start jiggle. Just tap edit, then add widgets. Now scroll or search for clock, then swipe left or right to preview sizes. Tap widget, then this will display the current time. Repeat the process, then select calendar. Choose a widget style, then tap on widget, and this will show today's date and events. Just find weather, choose your preferred size, then tap add widget. This shows current temperature and conditions. And finally, long press a widget, tap edit widget, then adjust settings like city, calendar view, etc. And instead of placing 3 separate widgets, drag one widget on top of another. iOS will create a smart stack. Swipe to cycle through them.